guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Autism, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing a pretty big package from AliExpress. I'm really excited to see how everything I got in here turned out to be. Hopefully everything's in good condition because, you know, this is actually my first time ordering Blythe dolls from AliExpress. The reason why, you know, I want to put a disclaimer out there, guys. The reason why I did get AliExpress Blythe dolls is mainly because I want to customize them, and obviously I don't want to mess up Blythe doll that is literally collectible. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I know not all of them are collectible, but that's the way I look at it, rather than messing up a brand new like Blythe doll, like official Blythe doll. I do plan on getting like official Blythe dolls later on, but for right now I've been into a customizing kick and I really want to practice with Blythe. So I'm gonna open the package now with you guys, and hopefully everything in this package came out pretty well. I see some first few things in the package, so that is exciting. And then it comes with an even bigger package, so yeah, I think they must have like combined all the packages together. I'm gonna open up this little package first with you guys, and I did get like a lot of eye chips and stuff like that, so that is what I'm probably unboxing right now. So yeah, these are the first little eye chips. As you guys can see, there's quite a lot in here. I think they were like pretty cheap too, which is really nice. I also got these, like these ones. And yeah, I'm definitely going to enjoy customizing with these eyes, guys. Like, look how pretty they are. I'm so excited. But yeah, that's that one. And then there's another little package here. So let's see which ones these are. Okay, these are like the more natural eyes that I got. They're all pretty much facing this way, so yeah, those are those. And then I also got some glasses for one of the Blythe dolls, and hopefully these fit them, because, you know, I know that Blythe has a pretty much bigger head, but we're going to try these when obviously I open up the dolls themselves. Finally, the last little thing that I got was a little stand for the Blythe doll. So yeah, these are really cute. Actually, I might need to get more. I just got one just because. So let's get into the big box, which has the actual dolls in there. Now, I did get only 3 dolls because I just wanted to get 3. Yeah, it looks like the package is actually pretty, like, okay. There's a little dent right there, but that's okay. Hopefully the dolls are actually, like, okay in here. But let's see the first doll that we get. Okay, so the first thing when I open this up is a bunch of hands. So I do know these come with these. I do believe I have like a bunch of these already from my Lika Chans. I don't think I've ever opened my Lika Chans here on YouTube, but I do collect Lika Chans also. And guys, I see the 3 dolls in the box, so I'm excited. Okay, I'm just gonna put this box on the floor. Okay, so this is the first doll that I'm looking at right now. I'm going to use scissors so that I don't mess up the doll. And I do believe that they also do fit like Lika Chan clothes. But now that I'm looking at this, I don't think they're gonna be able to fit Lika Chan clothes, guys. I didn't think they were this big. Like, what? This is crazy. Oh my god, her hair is like satanic. Guys, what the heck? I didn't think they were this big. Wait a minute. These are really big compared to my Lika-chans. Let me go get my Lika-chan really quick. Guys, this is my Lika-chan. I mean, I guess they could fit the clothes, but I feel like that's really like crazy. I feel like their head is just the big thing, but their body is not. But I do feel like the chest area is a lot bigger than a Lika-chan, because this Lika-chan right here is actually wearing a outfit from a Barbie doll, so that's kind of crazy. So I don't think this doll is going to be able to fit those, but anyway, I'm going to take this pretty beautiful girl out. So I did get I think one matte face. Hopefully I did, because I don't have any of the sandpaper and materials really yet for the customization for this doll. And the hair seems really nice, guys. Like, oh my god, there's no way. Guys, this doll is so pretty. And the thing is, like, I honestly never really liked Blythe dolls before. Like, at first I was kind of like, you know, Blythes are kind of creepy, but now that I'm looking at this doll, I genuinely really think she's so pretty. Yeah, this hair is just so pretty, and it's so thick too and soft. Like, this is really nice hair, guys. So yeah, I really love this. But I'm going to try my first time doing the eye mechanism. So let's see. Oh my god, so she has blue eyes. Let me put this back a little bit. She has blue eyes. Oh my god, those are pretty. A lot of people don't really like these eyes, but honestly I really like the brown. And then this gray, and I think that's it. Okay, and then the blue. Guys, oh my god, she's so pretty. I can't wait to put like different types of eye chips in their eyes, guys, but she's actually so freaking pretty. Like, what? That's insane. Okay, let's try the glasses on really quick before I move on to the next doll. And guys, oh my god, the glasses fit perfectly. What the heck? This is so cute. So yeah, my camera just heated up, but guys, I have to say this doll is so freaking cute, and I'm excited to open the next one. So we're going to do that right now. So the next one I have here is, I think, the matte face, because I can kind of tell a little bit. And guys, what the frick, she's so cute. Oh my god, guys, stop. Why are they actually freaking cute? Why have I been sleeping on these dolls? What the heck? What have I been missing? Like, this is crazy. But anyway, guys, look at her hair. This hair is like honestly so freaking pretty. Like, what the heck? Okay, her hair is a little bit in her face, so I probably have to do like a hairstyle. But guys, what the heck? That's crazy. And yeah, I'm probably gonna have to get clothes for them, or maybe make some clothes. But she is so freaking pretty. I'm kind of upset I didn't get more matte dolls. It's kind of hard to like figure out on Ali like how to get the matte face dolls. Like, I mean, you can't really tell in the photos. So yeah, her hair looks a little crazy, but we're gonna test out the eye mechanism. I really am obsessed with that amber color, guys. Like, I love it. Look at that. It's so pretty. But hopefully it's easier for me to customize this doll, because that was pretty much my plan, is to customize them and stuff like that. So hopefully maybe like if she's matte, like, you know, I can take her makeup off and it's just easier than the more shinier look. So yeah, just let me know, guys, because I have been doing like research and stuff on how to customize them and all. But yeah, I'm obsessed with this freaking doll. Like, what the heck? And then the last one I got is a black haired one, because I love black hair, because I have black hair. I don't know, this hair kind of looks like a little bluish tint, but that is okay. Okay, no, it's not. It's definitely black. This one has more like a wavy hair, and I really do have plans for her the most. I want to make her a vampire, obviously, like, because I don't have any vampire dolls. So yeah, that is definitely my plan, to make one of them a vampire. But oh my god, guys, look how pretty she is too. Like, what the frick? That's crazy. And she also has the shiny face. And guys, I thought she didn't have a string for a second. Like, oh my god. Okay, she has a string. And everything looks really good with their bodies too. I wanted to mention that. So yes, and I did get these when these were kind of like on a sale a little bit. Yeah, everything works pretty well. It works really good. The hair is just so thick and like voluptuous. Like, I feel like I definitely need to brush it because a lot. Okay, so my camera keeps overheating, but what I was saying was her hair is very voluminous, but I definitely need to like brush it so I can get rid of all the excess hair. It's insane how much hair this doll has, but I love it because it like gives me so much like hair to like work with and do different hairstyles. But yeah, hopefully I can find some clothes that will fit them. Maybe Alika Chan clothes, not really sure. They're a little bit more thicker than Alika Chan, obviously. Like, I'm gonna be completely honest with you, these bodies are not the same, like, at all. But yeah, that kind of sucks because I really wanted to just like use clothes that I already had, but it's okay. I can even sew clothes. And for a minute there, guys, when my camera was like overheating, I thought that these eye chips weren't going to be big enough for their eyes, but I did put it up to their eye and it looks like it's okay. Let me try this one and see if it's big enough. Let me make her straight faced. Okay. Yeah, it's perfect. I thought it wasn't. You can't really see, but yeah, I'm definitely going to probably just do their eye mechanisms right now, guys, because I still need to get the sandpaper and stuff to sand them down. But yeah, I'm so happy that I finally got me some Blythe dolls. I honestly never thought I would get a Blythe doll, but you know, yeah, definitely was worth that for sure. Yes, this was so worth it, guys. Like, you don't even know. Guys, I can't even like put two of them. Their heads are so freaking big. I keep dropping them. But yeah, I'm obsessed, especially with this one. I really do love the like glasses on her. Like, oh my god, she's so freaking cute. And then my little vampire girl. Oh my god, they're gonna look so freaking cute once I customize them, honestly, guys. Hopefully I don't mess it up. I mean, I'm pretty into all of that. Like, I do a lot of face ups and stuff, so I just gotta make sure I sand it properly, which I've watched plenty of videos. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching my video. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe for more dolly content, and also follow me on my Instagram, OppismDollsX. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.